4 real settings screens quietly control almost everything about how a WordPress site behaves by default, worth a real, dedicated look beyond just the one field you changed during setup. Site title, tagline, timezone, and date format, the real, foundational settings every other screen builds on. Real default settings for new content, default post category, default post format, and post via email configuration. Controls what genuinely shows on the homepage, latest posts or a real static page, plus how many posts each real archive page shows. Real site-wide comment defaults, whether comments are open by default and whether they require approval, covered in full depth in an earlier topic. Real default image sizes generated on every upload, thumbnail, medium and large dimensions, all genuinely configurable here. A real dedicated screen for designating a privacy policy page, WordPress core's own built-in support for a real legal requirement. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. General, writing, reading, and discussion, 4 real screens, every core site-wide default in one place. Try it yourself, open your own site's settings menu and read through all 4 screens once.